Subject Maths. Standard 2nd. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. My dear children, today we are going to learn a very interesting topic, expanded form with the help of numbers. Let us learn, children, what is expanded form. Expanded form, writing the numbers as the addition of the place value of its digit. Do you know, children? Numbers 0 to 9 are single digit numbers. We always add them on ones place. Number 10 is the first and smallest two-digit number. If we are going to see, children, in number 10, 0 is called ones. It also called units. And number 1 is always written on tens place. It also called 10 ones, means 10 units. So, place value 110 and 0 ones. Let us understand the expanded form of the given number 24. So, in number 24, digit 2 is on tens place and digit 4 in ones place. Now, we should find the place value of each digit. So, digit 2 place value is 20 and digit 4 place value is 4. So, expanded form number 24 equal to 20 plus 4. Let us see, children, what is expanded form of number 36. In number 36, digit 3 is in tens place and digit 6 is in ones place. Now, let us find out the place value of each digit. So, the place value of 3 is 30 and the place value of 6 is 6. So, the expanded form of number 36 equal to 30 plus 6. Now, we are going to see the expanded form of number 59. In number 59, digit 5 is on tens place and digit 9 in ones place. Now, let's find out the place value of each digit. So, the place value of 5 is 50 and the place value of 9 is 9. So, the expanded form of number 59 equal to 50 plus 9. Now, let us see another example. Here, number 67 is given. In number 67, digit 6 is on tens place and digit 7 is ones place. Now, let's find out the place value of each digit. The place value of digit 6 is 60 and the place value of digit 7 is 7. So, the expanded form of number 67 equal to 60 plus 7. Now, we will see some more example. Monu has 45 pencils, while Minu has 14 pencils. How many total pencils do both have? In this sum, Monu has 35 pencils and Meena has 14 pencils. So we add all pencils. First we start from unit side. So 5 plus 4 equal to we get here 9. Then we add 10 side. So 3 plus 1 we get 4. So total pencils is 49. Now let us see children what is expanded form of number 49. In number 49, digit 4 is on tens place and digit 9 is in ones place. Now let us find out the place value of each digit. The place value of digit 4 is 40 and the place value of 9 is 9. So, the expanded form can be written as 49 equal to 40 plus 9. Now, let's see another example. In the forest, there are 54 banana trees and 24 coconut trees. So, how many trees altogether? Let's solve this sum. In the forest, there are 54 banana trees and 24 coconut trees. We have to find out how many altogether. So, we add both the trees. First, we add unit side. So, children, 4 plus 4 equal to we get 8 and then we add 10 side. So, 5 plus 2, 7. So, total 78 trees all together. Now, let us see what is expanded form of number 78. In number 78, digit 7 is in tens place and digit 8 is in ones place. Now, let's find out what are the place value of each digit. So, the place value of 7 is 70 and the place value of 8 is 8. So, the expanded form of number 78 equal to 70 plus 8. Let us revise children. What is expanded form? In expanded form, we write the number by showing the value of each digit. Here, number 85 is given in standard form. Now, we are going to see in expanded form. So, children, in number 85, digit 8 is in tens place and digit 5 is in ones place. Now let us find out what is the place value of each digit. So the place value of 8 is 80 and the place value of 5 is 5. So we write 85 equal to 80 plus 5 shown as expanded form. Let us do some activity. Circle the correct way of showing the numbers in expanded form. 71 equal to 70 plus 10. 7 plus 10. 70 plus 1. 7 plus 10. 38 equal to 3 plus 8. 3 plus 80. 30 plus 80. 30 plus 8. Number 16 equal to 10 plus 6. 1 plus 60. 10 plus 60 and 1 plus 6. Today's homework will be, my dear children, here some numbers are given in standard form. Now you have to write the numbers in expanded form. I hope children you had enjoyed lesson very well. Thank you.